Hi children, in this video we will do question number 7 and question number 8 of exercise 2.2. Okay. Now 7th question. What is the 7th question? Find 1 by 2 of 2 by 3, 2 3 by 4 and 1 by 2 of 4 2 by 9. We already did this type of questions, is it? So what is the first step? 1 by 2 of, what is the 1 by 2 of 2 3 by 4 you have to find, 1 by 2 of 4 2 by 9 you have to find. So what is 1 by 2 of 2 3 by 4? I told you if the question is a mixed number, what you have to do first, you have to convert it into improper fraction, and of represents what? Multiplication. So what is the mixed number? 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11 by 4. Okay. Then 1 into 11, what is the answer? 11. 2 into 4 is 8. Our answer is an improper fraction, so do the division and find out the mixed number. 11 by 8. 1 time 8, what is the remainder? 3. So what is the answer? 1, 3 by 8. Quotient, remainder by divisor. Clear? Now, move to the next question. 1 by 2 of 4 2 by 9. Okay. Then, how will we write the answer? 1 by 2 into 4 2 by 9. What is the mixed fraction of 4 2 by 9? 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 2, 38 by 9. Okay. Then, if you want, you can do the shortcut method here, or you can do the direct division multiplication. 1 into 38 is 38 divided by 18. Our answer is an improper fraction, so what we have to do? Do the division and find out the mixed number. 38 divided by 18. 18 into 2 is what? 36. So you can write 2 times 36. My subtraction, you will get the answer 2. So what is the answer? 2 by 18. Clear children? 2, what is the answer you got? 2 by 18. Okay. Now, move to the next question. 5 by 8 of 3 5 by 6, and we have to find 5 by 8 of, we have to find 5 by, this is question number 2, 5 by 8 of 9 2 by 3. We have to find 5 by 8 of, first part is 5 by 8 of 3 5 by 6, and the second part is 5 by 8 of 9 2 by 3. Okay. Now, same as the previous question, 5 by 2 of represents multiplication. What is the mixed fraction of the improper fraction of this? 3 into 6 is 18. 18 plus 5 is 23 by 6. So, do the multiplication. 23 into 5, what is the answer? 23 into 5. 5 3s are 15, carry over 1. 5 2s are 10, 11, 115 by 8 4s are 48. Now, our answer is an improper fraction. You have to find the mixed number. How will we find the mixed number? Do the division. 115 divided by 48. Okay. Now, find out the multiples of 48. 48 into 1 is 48. Like that way you find out the multiples. 48 into 2, what is the answer? 8 2s are 16, 1, 8, 9. Now 48 into 3, what will be the answer? 48 into 3. 8 3s are 24, carry over 2, 12 plus 2, 14 you will get. So it's a multiple more than this, bigger than this. So we have to take the lowest multiple. So 48 into 2, what is the answer? 96. Again do the subtraction. 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6, what is the answer? 9. Then here what will happen? 0. It will become 0. It will become 15. So 15 minus 6 is 9. 10, 0, again borrow 1 from here and make it as 10. 10 minus 9, 1. So what is the answer you got? 2, 19 by 48. Okay, so what is the answer you got here? 2, 19 by 48. Clear children? Now Do the second part. Like the same way, 5 by 8 of means what? Multiplication. 9 2 by 3. Convert it into improper fraction. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 2 is 29 by 3. Okay. Multiply it. 29 into 5. What is the answer? 29 into 5. 5 9s are 45. 4. 5 2s are 10. 14. So what is the answer you got? 145 by 24. Again, it's a mixed number, it's an improper fraction, you find out the mixed number. 24 into which the multiples will come? 24 into 2, what is the answer? 8, 48 will come. Again, find out the multiples of 24. 24 into 5 is 22. 10, 12 will come. 24 into 6, what is the answer? 24, 2, 16, 14, 144 will come. So, what is which multiple we will take? 24 into 6 is 144, 5 minus 4, 1, 4 minus 4, 0, 0. So, what is the final answer we got here? Final answer. What is the final answer? Quotient, remainder by divisor. Quotient, remainder by divisor. I think these questions are clear for everyone. If multiplied, if it's a mixed number, you convert it into improper fraction, then only you do the division. And if the answer is an improper fraction, convert it into mixed number by doing the division. Okay, now move to the next question. Okay, now what is the eighth question? Vidya and Pradap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. Pradap consumed the remaining water. How much water did Vidya drink? And what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pradap drink? So, what is given there in the question? Total quantity of water is given there, is it? What was the total quantity? Total amount of water is there. Total amount of water. What was the total amount of water? 5 liter. And Vidya consumed how much? Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. 2 by 5 of the water means what? 2 by 5 of 5 liter. Is it? That means what? 2 by 5 into 5. 2 by 5 of the water means what? 2 by 5 of the total quantity of water. We know that total quantity of water is 5 liter. Total amount of water is 5 liter. So, we can say 2 by 5 of 5 liter. What is 2 by 5 of 5 liter? 2 into 5 is 10. 10 by 5 is 2 liter. So, Vidya consumed 2 liter of water. So, how much quantity Pradap consumed? Pradap consumed. How will we find? Total quantity is 5 liter. From that 5 liter, Vidya consumed 2 liters. So, how will we find the remaining quantity? You have to do subtraction. 5 liter minus 2 liter. What is the answer? 3 liter. 3 liter of water was consumed by Pratap. Now, one more question is there. What fraction of the total quantity? We have to write the fraction also. How will we write the fraction? Fraction means water consumed by Pratap. What is the water consumed by Pratap? 3 by, what was the total quantity? 5. So, what is the fraction? 3 by 5. What is the fraction of water consumed by Vidya? 2 by 5. And what is the fraction of water consumed by Pratap? 3 by 5. How did you get that answer? It's already given that total amount of water is 5 liter. And if the question is given that 2 by 5 of the water, 2 by 5 of the water means 2 by 5 of the total quantity. 2 by 5 of the total quantity means what? Total quantity is 5 liter. So, 2 by 5 of 5 liter. And we already studied of represents multiplication. So, we did the multiplication 2 by 5 into 5. 2 into 5, what is the answer? 10 by 5, 2 liter you got. That means out of 5 liter, Vidya consumed 2 liter of water. So, how will we find the remaining quantity? Pratap consumed, how will we find 5 liter minus 2 liter? So, what is the quantity or amount of water consumed by Pratap? 3 liter. And in the question we have to write the fraction. How will we write the fraction? Fraction water consumed by Pratap by the total liter. So what is the answer? 3/5. Hope this question is clear for everyone. So we completed exercise 2.2. I hope all that questions are clear for everyone. Do it one more time. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you, children.